All right, well, welcome back to the Office Digs.
Thank you.
Thanks. All right. You guys dove into sustainable design, which I appreciate, and now we're going to take some time to discuss LEED and what that means. I believe LEED is Leadership in Energy and Environmental Design.
Correct.
Right,
Correct?
exactly.
Okay, why don't you take a minute to tell us what this means for tenants and sort of
Sure.
what the process is to become certified.
Sure. I mean, in a nutshell, LEED is an internationally recognized certification system for green design, green building of spaces, buildings, environments, and basically allows a third-party verification that, hey, you know what, that group of design elements actually occurred and followed the format set forth to meet LEED criteria.
And the criteria is based basically off of a 110-point system, with achieving 40 points gets you a certified project. 50 points is silver, 60 points plus is gold, and then 80 points plus is platinum, which is the highest to obtain.
And that graphic up on the screen, you know, that shows you sort of the main categories. You know, you have energy and atmosphere, site selection, indoor air quality, environmental quality, and things like that. So within those categories there, to achieve points for clients, there's a whole list of criterias that we as architects and designers go through to assess which ones we can achieve for our tenants. Ultimately, somewhat of a shell game trying to get those points to say, hey, you know what, we need to get this point to make sure that we meet this criteria and so forth, to try and total in on those 40 or 50 or 60 points, whatever the certification may be required or desired.
And that basically will drive decision making on what products to use, materials, things like that. For AHA, for instance, we obtained certification by 40 plus points, but we're benchmarking actually silver.
Okay.
So there's a little bit of, well, we use this material, but the USGBC will indicate when we get the certificate how many points we will fully achieve. So
Very interesting. And I'm sure there is a premium to build out this LEED space, and I'm going to have you touch base on that in the next segment, okay?
Great.
Sure.
Thank you very much.
Thanks.
Thanks.
Yeah.